In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at how we can work with the standalone version of the Vue framework. In order to work with standalone version, you just need to visit this URL, Vue.js.org, then the installation.html page, and here you can download the production version. And once it's downloaded, all you need to do is inside your project directory, like I've created this index.html page. And this index.html page, as you can see, is now referring to the standalone version that I downloaded just now, vue.min.js. And what it does is, as soon as you include this file, it will have a Vue instance available. So here we are creating a new app using Vue, and this app is actually saying that the element which we need to target is the one with ID app, and that's the div we have over here, and the data which we have defined over here as message is hello Vue. Now this hello Vue will be rendered inside this app that we have defined. So this div will be containing the value hello Vue when it will be executed. And if I just show you the output in browser, there you go. You can see hello Vue coming up over here as the output. If I just go ahead and change it in this way, you can see the updated value coming up over here. So that was just a quick example of how to make use of the standalone version. In the next lecture, we'll be taking a look at how we can install Vue using npm, as well as how we can create a new project using Vue command line interface.